My stepdaughter and I love to bake. She is currently all about the sourdough, and we definitely needed some new oven mitts. And when I came across these, I knew I had to have them. I grew up absolutely loving Paris Hilton and watching her show, and we all know her iconic "That's Hot" line. So I just think it's really funny that these are on some oven mitts, because obviously when we're taking something out of the oven, it's gonna be hot. So let's go ahead. I literally just pulled them out of the bag. So super nice. I do like that they are longer here, so that the part of your arm here is also going to be protected if you're going right into that oven. And then up here we've got the really nice silicone. I do like that we have like the little lines on here so that it's just going to be nice and grippy. And then inside here, I actually haven't put my hands in, but ooh, these feel super nice inside. You know, nice and thick. I mean, not too like, you know, it's not like it's fleece or anything like that, but it's definitely nice and thick and cozy. And of course you do have like the little hooks right here if you want to hang these up in your kitchen. But yeah, I think they look absolutely adorable. And I mean, Paris Hilton, come on.